Hello friends, today we do accusative Übung. As you can see on the screen, we'll solve some questions based on accusative case. So here are the questions. You can see Nummer 1, hat Akira ein Kind? 9, Akira hat kein Kind. You know, when we make a negative sentence, we use kein. Hast du einen Sohn? Nein, ich habe keinen Sohn. I have no son. Kauft Pabola ein Haus? Does Pabola is buying a house? No. Sie kauft ein Haus. Trinkt Laura einen Wein? Nein. Sie trinkt einen Wein. As you can see, we should know the article very well. If I know the article of wine, it is there. I can easily write accusative case einen. So article is very important before doing this exercise. You must be aware about the article of a noun. Haben Hamid und Manado ein Problem? Because Problem article is das, so ein Problem. Nein, sie haben ein Problem. Because Problem is das, so kein Problem. Negative, kein. Braucht Akira einen Arzt? Does Akira needs a doctor? Nein, sie braucht einen Arzt. Just write K and then einen. So it is negative, keinen. So when we make negative, so just write K before einen. So it is negative. Hat Tatjana heute eine Zeit? Oder die Zeit? You can write also die Zeit. Hat Tatjana heute die Zeit? Nein, sie hat heute keine Zeit. So Zeit is die, so keine Zeit. Korrigiert Laura heute einen Vokabeltest? Does she is doing correction? The vocabulary test? Nein. Sie korrigiert heute keinen Vokabeltest. Backt Hamid morgen einen Kuchen? Does Hamid is baking tomorrow a cake? Nein, backt keinen Kuchen. You can write or you can also write Hamid. Kauft Mamudao das Restaurant? Nein, kauft ein Restaurant. Does he buy this restaurant? No, he is not buying this restaurant. So this is accusative sentences we have just done on the basis of the exercise and the rules that we are already aware. Bestimmten Artikel und mit Verneinung. So we are supposed to write bestimmten article, but we have written both. So I can add bestimmt also, das, and here, then again, das Haus, den Wein, das Problem, then Arzt, die is okay, then Vokabeltest, den Kuchen, das Restaurant. Next, nominative, accusative, Fragewörter, W family words. So nominative case has where or was. Where means who, Was means what. Similarly, accusative case has when, whom, and was what. Let's say some example. Tatiana is sportlich. Tatiana is sporty. The question would be, who is sporty? Tatiana. Where is sportlich? So where is for nominative case. Similarly, das Haus ist groß. Was ist groß? Das Haus. So here you know, if the verb is ist, the sentence is mostly nominative. There is a hint that I am telling you. You can keep this in mind. If the verb is ist or sein, the form of ist, sind, bist, the case is mostly nominative. Let's move further. Die Frau ist hübsch. The lady is beautiful. So the question would be, who is beautiful? Wer ist hübsch? Die Frau. Laura sieht einen Freund. Laura sees a friend. In this sentence, you can see the verb sehen, which is accusative. So, wer sieht einen Freund? So, there are two types of question. Who is seeing a friend, which is Laura, so nominative. Wen sieht Laura? Who is seeing Laura? A friend. So, we can make accusative or nominative questions based on one statement. Like, Akira liest ein Buch. So here again two questions. Who is reading book? Which is nominative. Wer liest ein Buch? Here it is nominative. Answer is Akira. Next, what is Akira reading? Was liest Akira. What Akira is reading? So here ein Buch. So here we have seen, we have made two questions based on one statement. Next, Nummer 6. Laura braucht einen Staubsauger. Laura needs a Staubsauger. Staubsauger, your cleanliness object. You clean the floor. So was braucht? Staubsauger oder wer braucht? Who needs Staubsauger? Einen Staubsauger. Answer, Laura. Next, what needs Laura? Was braucht Laura? What she needs? Einen Staubsauger. So this you have seen where and was. We have used two W family words for the one statement. Next, Mamadao bakt einen Kuchen. So Mamadao is baking a cake. Who is baking a cake? So wer bakt einen Kuchen? Answer, Mamadao. It's a name. Next, what is baking Mamadao? Was bakt Mamadao? Answer, einen Kuchen. Next, Tatiana fotografiert eine Frau. Tatiana is clicking a photo of a lady. So, wer fotografiert? Who is clicking photo? Wer fotografiert eine Frau? Who is clicking the photo of a lady? Tatiana. And next, what Tatiana is photographing? Was fotografiert Tatiana? Answer is eine Frau. So this is the questions based on nominative and accusative W family words. I hope it's clear to you. So this is all in this video. See you next time with a new topic. Till then, bye bye. Cheers.